and welcome to another episode of Other Buys. Today we've got the Nike Brasilia hold-all or gym bag. So this one is the XS size, holds roughly 40 litres. So I've been using this for a couple of sessions at the gym and it's actually really good. So I'm just going to talk you through some of the aspects of it. So many pockets on this one. At the front, got a little one here, so like headphones and bits in. And then on each side, we've got an outside pocket as well, on either side. Inside this one, pretty roomy. Can push into the bag a bit as well. Got my gym chalk in there. It's also got a vent as well, so shouldn't get too smelly in that one. Round on the other side, got another zip back pocket. This one's not got a vent, doesn't go as deep, so it stays pretty firm. Got some resistance bands and a notepad in there. And then we've also got a bit where you can put some bits into the mesh, maybe a water bottle, some gels. And then in terms of straps, we've got one for carrying it. You can put little clasps even together. You've got an adjustable shoulder strap as well. Doesn't go too long, but I quite like it because it sits in the middle of your back. And then inside, so 40 litres, pretty deep. So I've got headphones, some straps in there. And then there's another zip-up pocket in here as well. So yeah, overall, pretty good. Perfect size for the gym. Take all your requirements, squeeze a towel, some deodorants, small change of clothes. It's pretty good. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe. And then in the bio, there should be a link to the product if you want to get it from Amazon. So yeah, right, Brasilia gym bag.